You do you, and and if you're good at it, you'll succeed. All right, well, workday is over. So head home. Our fireworks for the city is going on tonight. Don't know if I'll do that or not, but move that mirror back. Too close to my knuckles. So I have seen recently where some of these moto vloggers or YouTubers or whatever are kind of like freaking out because their views ain't what they were, and their channel was doing good the last couple of years because COVID, and now their views are down or whatever, and they've quit their jobs because the last 2 years have been good. And I don't know, it seems like you need to keep doing what you're doing and trust the process, or change up your content or something. Or if you're afraid that you're really not going to make your bills, go back to doing what you was doing before you decided to go YouTube full time. I don't know. I think people are getting their anxiety or depression. If you're not good at your job, what do you do, right? If nobody likes what you're doing on your job, do you go find something else to do, or change the way you're doing your job? Are you getting feedback saying I don't like something, or you're just looking at your views and that's probably the best way to do it. You look at your views and say something's not going right. I don't even know where I'm going with that. It's just you make a choice in life, and you just gotta do something with it. I can't imagine. Maybe YouTube is a viable job in the long term. For some people, it can be, for sure. I guess, maybe. I don't know. I've only got 307 subscribers as of today. And my content is probably shit. So I would never think about quitting my job, I guess. Not with these low subscribers anyway, maybe ever. You just gotta do what you like doing, and people's either going to gravitate towards it or they're not. Just, you gotta do you. You can take suggestions, and if those suggestions can be in your wheelhouse, then go for it. stepping out of your comfort zone isn't a problem either, or an issue, if you can do that. Some people aren't able to step out of their comfort zone to pursue something different or new or whatever. So you just got to decide what you want to do as a content creator. That word influencer is, I hate that word. What are you influencing, I guess? Influencing people to ride and whatever, but I think content creator for most people is the right word to use, because that's what we are. Even though I only have 300 and some odd subscribers, I create content. It may be crap content, but I do make content. So I'm not trying to influence anybody. I'm just making content for people that may want to watch. So anyway, that being said, hey, if you like any of my videos, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, share. And that was a rant that I didn't know I was going to go on. Anyway, if you're worried about your views and the money you're making on YouTube, you just got to change what you're doing, maybe. Or just keep at it. If it's good enough and you're good enough, you believe in yourself, you'll make it. And you do you. And and if you're good at it, you'll succeed. Anyway, I'll talk at you later. I'm going inside and getting the air conditioner. Bye.